everyone, it's Miss Allison. Happy Friday. I hope you guys had a great first week back and are doing well today. So let's take a quick look at what we're doing on this Friday here. I know this week was a little bit different with our schedule, so I just want to remind you of a couple of things. First, here on Schoology, you can see this information. This is about the novel. We'll start in February, but I wanted to get that to you now so you can start preparing if need be. The letter has a lot of good information, so take a peek at that, please. Next is what we're doing today. So we don't have a formal class today. Instead, we have a help desk. So Miss V and I will be in the general channel on Teams during all of class, so until 9:45 to help you. If you have any question, you get stuck on anything, or just need to check in, please come see us there. That's a great time to do that. All right. So our asynchronous work for today is going to look a little bit different than what we did this week. You did some team building, so you did some flip grids, you responded to each other. Our goal was to get to know each other a little bit better this week while we move into our groups before we hit content. Today you're going to be reviewing content from last semester, and this is what that's going to look like. So if you go into Schoology, you can find Friday's folder. It looks like this. And then if we go down here, you can see your assignment. So it's an essay anatomy review. That's a tongue twister. If you look here, you can see all of your directions, your learning target, your success criteria. The goal of this, guys, is you're going to review the pieces of essay using this Quizlet. You're going to look at a sample essay. You've looked at it before, so it should be pretty easy. And you're going to make a few quick revisions. And then finally, you're going to take a formative. What? A formative already? Guys, don't freak out about this at all. You have plenty of time to prepare for this, and the formative, which is on Schoology and looks just like this, is quite literally the same questions from your Quizlet. You can use your Quizlet on it. It is completely open note for this, okay? So the goal of this is just to give me an idea of where are we with essay writing, because we're going to move into that starting Monday of next week, and I just need a quick data point from you. Don't freak out that this is a formative, okay? It's not a big deal. We will be doing a lot more formatives this semester, and you will have other opportunities to show your best skills as we go. So this is just a quick data point. It is nothing to freak out about. You can use this Quizlet, which is quite literally the same exact questions that you will see here as you take it. Okay? So guys, I hope that is helpful. Like I said, Ms. V and I will be in the help desk ready to help and excited to see you. So let me know what you need. And happy essaying. That's a new thing, right? Okay. Have a good day, guys.